Assalamu alaikum, Nazar Chan here from Fords, New Jersey on this beautiful Tuesday morning of November, wearing a Republican red tee, making America great again. Today is election day. Let me tell you, I in fact does not believe much in the party politics. I am an independent person. I am a spiritualist who ideally believes that one should be unique, one should not be influenced or under cult or conditioning of any sort. Socrates is my hero who said think. He didn't say what to think. Later on, Aristotle and Plato spoiled all the show. But given the choice as it is going on in the United States, I think Republicans are far better when it comes to the actions. Actions speak louder than words. Democrats have miserably failed and they are hypocrites, I would say. I am here in USA more than 6 years and I have seen that you cannot even approach a Democrat mayor, a senator, a congressman on the email even. This is their position, whereas President Trump really, he invited our Pakistani President Imran Khan to the White House. They listen, they are realistic, they are naturalists, they believe in morals, they believe in religion, conservatism, they are against abortion, they are putting lines. Actually, we all are fighting against nature in this materialistic world, which is wrong. You have to draw a balance. A climate change conference was going on in Cairo, and there they were all discussing how we have to tune ourselves with the nature, how much we can tune in. Yes, I do agree Trump didn't believe in a climate change and had some reservations against that, which is wrong. I think we should try to adjust ourselves with the climate. Yes, there are certain problems of overpopulation and pollution by the developed world. Coming to the elections today, yesterday I was reading a tweet of Elon Musk, who is the owner of Twitter now, a king of America, I would say, and of the social media at least. And he said that vote for Republicans. He also said that he's neither a Democrat nor a Republican. He's an independent. But for sake of balance, like presidency is with Democrats, so let the House goes to the Republicans. And he also said that he used to be Democrat. So I think a liberal capitalist democratic system world over has collapsed. As you see, conservatives controlling Germany and then in Britain recently, and so things are changing. This far left has created huge problems, brought in more corruption, made humans more vulnerable. Natural beings were put to unbridled capitalism, materialism, which was extremely bad. And another thing I want to mention here is that do not vote for narratives. Vote for on-ground stuff. Like Trump, when came in, what he said he did. He said he will control immigration. Yes, he did. He said no more wars. He did. So making America great again. Okay, so that is what the ideally leaders should stand for. Should fulfill their promises, not like Biden, that he said student loans would be waived, but they weren't. So similarly, many other things, borders and etc. And plus, as to welfare, there should be a balanced one. I am on Medicaid, but I do not like I have a struggling daughter and son who work hard, and I have some friends who work day in and day out, and yet they have to pay, they have to buy an insurance for their health cover. Either it should be for all or it should be for none. And that is what Trump said, that everybody has to work for it. When you bring in freeloading programs, then this happens. And second, bringing in Kamala Harris and having a more backlash on Asians, that's really bad. People really felt Trump's saying this, that he was removed by the establishment, just as in Pakistan, Imran Khan is saying that. So from that point of view, today is a very turning point. I think a great day in American last 20, 30 years to decide to what way America is moving, especially in this polarization. And I must say, Abraham Lincoln's time had this polarization been so blatant. And he said that let's revert to conscience. So let's revert to morals, to conscience, to religion, to faith, to our constitution. Bye for now, and let's see what the results are. Happy day.